Morning, crew. So as you can see, blowing like crazy out there, so I might not be fishing the still waters today, so I'll get up shortly, have some brekkie, and make a plan from there.
Well, I'm on the bike and I'm going to take a chance that the wind's going to drop, and I'll see if I can get something out of some still waters today. So I'll catch up with you when I get to the lake. I'm at the lake. There's one coming towards me, but I don't know if it'll see the dry or not. Oh, yep, there we go. Good stuff. Well, that's the first fish I've seen since I've got here. Good stuff. Oh crikey, he's off. Look at that for a fat friggin' brownie. Sorry, I never got the netting. I was in a hurry because there's another fish coming towards me, so I'll have a quick look at this guy, get him underway. Well, what a way to start my day. 5 pound. This is the fattest trout I've ever seen, I think. Well, it's probably not, but just looking at it, as you can see, it probably doesn't look like a 5 pounder, but boy, is it fat. Great, on the dry too. Thanks, buddy. So I've managed to get a cast in front of a fish, but whether he'll see this fly and come up for it. Oh. Yes! Fantastic! How slow was that take? Oh wow, man, I hope that came out on film. Well, this one, obviously, as you can see, he's taking me into the weeds, but I managed to get him out. So, I'll see if I can get him landed now. On the line there. Oh, he won't like that weed around his head. There we go. Oh, I really hope that take come out on film. Probably, oh, I didn't weigh this one, probably 3.5, a bit longer and a bit leaner. This is probably about the same length as that first fish I got, which went 5, but yeah, a bit leaner, a bit longer. Nice jack. Thank you, buddy. We're in again. So I was just casting out to the side on the edge of the drop off, which is just there, and oh, he's in the bank already. And it came in and up. I saw a bit of a shape, so sorry I didn't get the rise, but we're in again. So I'll sort him out and we'll have a look at him. Young hen, yeah, got her. Beautiful. Cracking little hen, 2 pound, 2.5 maybe. She's beautiful. Thank you very much. Really fat, healthy, great to see. Paused it and the fish takes. So I did see another good fish coming this way, so I'm gonna just sprint down here a bit, well not sprint, but drag him down this end and see if I can have a shot at it. And come on, buddy, come on. Weird, you know, some of them won't take, others just key in on it, straight to it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Lovely. Thanks, buddy. See you later. Well, finally we're in. Isn't it strange, that fish? I cast to a different fish, and that fish, I'd seen it, and it was out probably an extra metre from the other fish, and yet this one come ripping over to take. So it could be because he's a little thinner, maybe he's a bit hungrier. But hey, at least we're in again. Good stuff. Try and get the take on film next time. Got him. He's a little bit lean and thin, but never mind. While we've had lots and lots of refusals. This one here, £3, but a little bit on the thin side. There he is. There's a little riffle on the water now, so that might mean we're into them again. Lovely. Thanks, buddy. And that was a beautiful take, and I missed it because the fish have been refusing again, so I didn't get the camera on. But this is actually quite a good fish by the looks of him. Whew, it's blooming warm. Oh, he's coming in pretty quick now. Might be a bit slabby. Never mind, we'll count him, we'll take him. Oh no, he might be alright. Oh yeah. Oh, we got him in there. We got him. Okay. Lovely to get one again on the dry. Unfortunately, I did not get the take. But yeah, it's a bit of a wonky jaw on this one. See there? But still, lovely to get. See you later, buddy. Oh man. Well, that took a while. Took a long while. We got him on the nymph though. Yeah. Good looking brown though. Might get her in nice and quick. It's a lovely fat 3-pound hen. Look at her. She's bloody gorgeous. Beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Just so. Well, I've got another one. I didn't get any of the footage, sorry. I thought I'd press the button and I thought I heard it go off, but it didn't. Another one on the nymph, so 2 in a row on the nymph. Another lovely little hen, but boy, crikey, is she fat. Yeah, really fat. And look at her. Just freaking gorgeous. What a friggin' good day. So thank you, my dear. Let's get you underway. Ooh, you bastard. I mean, Misty. Oh, the battery went flat in the GoPro there, so we missed a bit of action, but I landed it. Lovely fish, actually, 3.5 pound. Look at that, eh? That's a gorgeous fish, that is. So, yeah, good day. Whoa. Bugger, go on. What happened there? Busted me off, I think. And a good brownie here. I never got the take, darn it. But never mind. Hopefully we can land him pretty quick. So yeah, cracker, thank you. I'm losing count now. I'm not sure what number that one is, but look at him. Look at the spots on this guy. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, what a day, eh? What a day. I've lost count. Maybe 10. Maybe 10 for the day, but look how gold that is. I hope it comes out on film. Look at that. Gorgeous younger jack. Thank you, buddy. Let's have a look at him, actually. Oh, let's go. And again, another one. I'm really just trying to get back to the bike to leave. I've got a bit of a trek to do this afternoon to get to where I want to fish tomorrow, so I really need to get going, but it's pretty hard to leave when the fish are this hungry. I'm just trying to get to the bike to leave, but another one. Beautiful spots, lovely orange spots on this one. Oh, spots here. Hey, that's not bad. I'm nearly back at my bike, so I wasn't planning on getting any more, but this one here, it just showed up, so you know, you've got to have a go. So yeah, there he is. He's not too bad. Oh well, that was a blooming good day. Yeah, well, good morning. It's just gone. Okay, it's 20 past 1. I was hoping to be gone by about 12 because the plan is to mountain bike in up a valley this evening, so I'll have to rattle me dags, but well, if I have to stay in the truck and then go up the valley the next night, it's no biggie. But yeah, cracking day, cracking morning. I don't know, 10 fish, maybe more, I don't know. I'll have a count up when I look at my footage and stuff, but beautiful fish, aren't they, those lake fish. Whew. Okay, well, I'm still going. It's 5 o'clock. I'm going to go right into my campsite. I was going to bike for about 10 k's in, but I think I might just have to do the 5 or 6 k's in and camp out where I camped last time. There's a lot of cars in the car park, so that's a bit worrying, but anyhow, we'll see how we get on tomorrow. Just looking forward to setting up my hammock and having a wee fire and cooking some tea and just relaxing, but I'll do the hard yards to get there first, so I'll see you when I'm at my campsite spot. Whew. Nice to be in the shade now. It's still pretty warm at this stage. I've still got a long way to go, but oh well. A bit more overgrown from when I was here last, but I've made it finally. Oh, boy, I'm knackered. Okay, time to get the hammock up and get comfortable. Oh well, sorry the light's not so good, but finally here. I'm gonna set me rod up, ready for tomorrow, and sort myself out some tea and have a drink maybe, and I'd have to tie on a new leader too. Leader caught a lot of fish today, so yeah, but it's nice to be here finally. It's time 6:30, so yes, I'm well and truly ready for some tea, and it won't be long after that I'll be into bed, I think. Feeling pretty knackered. I'll show you the camp shortly after. So my rod there set up. I've put a big air hair dry on. I'm hoping it's going to be one of those days tomorrow. I got me hammock set up here. There it is. Sleeping bag inside. I haven't bothered putting my thermal mat. I've got it there, but I've got my thermal mat there in case it gets cold, but it's pretty warm tonight. So where to from here? Just off to the side here where I'm going to have my fire. I'm going to take me bike pack with me, so that's got all my food and clothes in it, dry clothes, etc. So I'll get changed, get a fire on and get some tea on, and we'll be into it. Okay, so this is my dinner time seating. It's actually not bad. Just sit there, and there's my view for tonight. And so here I've just collected a bit of firewood. Will be my din-dins, a bit of wilderness stew. I'm gonna have a little fire here, just enough to cook me tea, and we'll go for a bit of a walk out here further. If you remember last time, there goes the dryer. She's got a full load on her. And then over here there's the fridge. I'll go on then. Yes, you talked me into it. I'll grab one now. So I'll head back from the dryer and my fridge and get this fire going and have a bit of tea. Alright, tea's ready. I've found myself a pot lid, and I've put a bit of a drying rack there up. The sun's gone, and I'll get it near they might get smoke dried, but I don't know why us as fishermen, we always try and dry our socks and our booties and stuff when 10 minutes into or 2 minutes tomorrow into the day they'll be wet again. But never mind, anyhow. Here's din-dins. It should be ready. So I'm going to sit down here with my beverage and get into tea. Tea time. That is really good stew. Really nice, lots of veggies in there too. Well, dessert, chocolate chip cookies. It was a good meal. Well earned, that one. So, yeah, I'll catch up with everyone tomorrow when we'll do some fishing and hopefully find some bigger browns than we did today. Good night all.